Hey everyone, this is Coach Monique Macklin over at MoniqueMacklin.com, coming to you today because I am really excited about the direction that my business is moving in. What I get to do is I get to speak with people who really want to change the financial trajectory of their lives, people who have been feeling stuck for many years, people who really just don't understand how money truly works and how to make it work in their favor, right? So what I do is I have conversations with people. A lot of people have started to learn my story. I am someone who grew up in Brooklyn. I was raised in Bed-Stuy in Brooklyn, New York. I had a lot of tragedy in my early years, from childhood abuse, sexual abuse, almost being murdered by one of my mother's boyfriends. A lot. I've dealt with a lot, but I have turned my pain into prosperity. And really what I do on a daily basis is I help people unlock their gifts, help people unlock what has been holding them back, stopping people from settling for just a mediocre lifestyle when they are meant and built for so much more. I love helping people and seeing people win, if that makes sense, right? I just love seeing people win, especially when it comes to finances, because I was a person who lost everything and was able to rebuild. Even in a recession, I lost everything in 2008 during the mortgage crisis, and I decided, instead of getting a job, I decided to start my own business, and I've been here for 14 plus years. And it's been, an uphill battle, but I have learned and partnered myself with people who taught me what it looks like to be truly successful. So one of the biggest misconceptions when it comes to being successful is that you always have to be on, right? Always on this grind, always hustling. There's 24 hours in a day. I got to figure out how to make that 25 hours a day because I can't miss a moment of making this money. And I get that, especially in the beginning stages. People want to make sure that they are putting in the time, energy, and effort. But what you also need to do is make sure that you are positioning yourself to do things one time and get paid over and over again. Because this is the only way you're going to truly be able to own your time. The most valuable thing, the most valuable asset we all have is our time. And the more we get to enjoy that time with our family and friends, on vacations, or just relaxing, the better we are going to be mentally, physically, and emotionally, and financially, right? So I invite you to go to MoniqueMacklin.com and schedule a strategy session.